Celiac disease is a common, chronic, immune-mediated disorder of the small intestine induced by dietary wheat, barley, and rye, and all their derivatives. It's a unique autoimmune disorder, unique because the environmental precipitant is known. The disorder was previously called celiac sprue, based on the Dutch word sprue, which was used to describe a disease similar to tropical sprue characterized by diarrhea, emaciation, aphthostomatitis, and malabsorption. So classic celiac disease looks very similar to sprue, to tropical sprue. This is the frequency of diagnosis. Notice the age bracket where most of them are diagnosed. Women, 2.5, 3 to 1. The light bar is women, the dark bar is men. It's about 2.5 to 3 to 1. But look at the age, middle ages, going into senior years. Why? Because it takes 8 to 11 years on average after the symptoms are there before they get a diagnosis. And when they get symptoms that warrant going to the doctor, that's not when they got the problem. That's when it got so bad, had destroyed enough tissue that now the body can't compensate anymore. Now here's symptoms. Then it took 8 to 11 years